In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your resume on Indeed. This is an important skill to have as Indeed is one of the most popular job search platforms used by millions of people worldwide. Whether you're actively looking for a job or just want your resume ready in case an opportunity comes up, having your resume uploaded on Indeed can make the process of applying for jobs much smoother. Let's get started. First things first, you need to be on your dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of your screen, where you'll spot your profile picture or icon. Go ahead and click on that. By clicking on your profile, you access a menu that lays out various options related to your account settings and preferences. It's kind of like the hub of your Indeed account where you can manage and customize your profile. Next, under the Profile menu, you'll see an option labeled Resume. Click on Resume. This section is incredibly useful as it not only lets you upload your existing resume, but also allows you to create and manage an online version of it directly on Indeed. By having your resume readily available on the platform, recruiters can discover it, thereby increasing your visibility to potential employers. Now you're at the step where you can upload your resume. Look for the button that says Upload Resume and give it a click. It's usually quite prominent and easy to find on the page. Once you click there, you'll be prompted to select a file from your computer. Here's a quick tip. Make sure your resume file is in PDF format. The reason for this is simple. PDFs help maintain the formatting of your document across different devices and screens. This means that the design and layout you've painstakingly worked on won't get jumbled up when a recruiter views it. Select your PDF file from your computer, and within moments, you should see it appear in the Indeed system. It's basically as simple as dragging and dropping the file into the designated upload area. Once it's there, double-check to ensure that all the information is displayed correctly and the document looks crisp and professional. And there you have it. Your resume is now uploaded onto Indeed. From this point forward, you can easily apply for jobs with just a few clicks. Remember, periodically updating your resume is also key, especially as you gain more skills and experiences. Regular updates ensure your resume remains relevant and appealing to recruiters. So that's how you upload your resume on Indeed. Simple, right? We hope this guide has been helpful and makes your job search process a little easier. Good luck with your applications!